Assalamu alaikum. The Prophet ﷺ said, "He who does not recite the Quran in a pleasant tone is not a fuzz." That's a very serious warning. However, reciting in pleasant tone is not enough if you have problems in makharij, problems in sifat, and problems in other rules. Let's see them one by one. Problems in makharij. Wallahu alimun. If you recite very beautifully, but if you say Wallahu alimun, it means Allah is painful, because alim means all-knowing and alim means painful. Astaghfirullah. Problems in sifat. For example, if somebody says Allahu Akbar, that is not right. It should be Allahu Akbar, the Arabic way. Problems in rules. For example, if somebody recites khalaqna as khalaqna, that's a disaster, because khalaqna means we created, and khalaqna, those women created. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.